St. Joseph, along with the rest of the U.S., experiencing a slight uptick in COVID cases, but local health experts say not to worry. As KQ2's Daniel Soxie explains why experts are calling new cases just bumps in the road and not waves.
13 to 14 people each day are testing positive for COVID-19 over a 10-day period in St. Joseph, a slight uptick according to local health experts.
We anticipate that over the next 2 weeks, we'll continue to see those numbers climb in the hospital some. Fortunately, it does not appear to be as virulent again as Delta.
With 11 people in the hospital, Mosaic Life Care says the increase in positive cases will likely double hospitalizations in a matter of days, but doctors are saying not to worry.
The reality is, this has been, again, it's more like the Omicron last time, in which case there were a lot more positives and fewer hospitalizations, which is good.
The current strain, a subvariant to Omicron, experts are calling BA2 and BA2.12.4.
We have seen the sewer shed viral load in the sewer sheds increase, so we are anticipating a little bit higher numbers. It's hard to predict how much higher it will go.
Dr. Kammerer predicting new spikes, more like bumps in the road, saying immunity is building up and the normalization of COVID has arrived.
We would totally anticipate that this is probably the normalization of what COVID is going to look like. We're going to see these episodic waves, hopefully not the big spikes that we've seen in the past, because we do have some herd immunity, we have some natural immunity that's occurring, as well as people taking vaccines.
The virus is just trying to find its way and what's going to work best for it, and that's why we're seeing so many variants pop up. And at some point, it may still be a few years down the line, but at some point, it will likely, the variants will slow down. They'll become fewer and further in between, just like it did with the flu.
Reporting, Danielle Soxie, KQ2 News.
76 COVID cases in Buchanan County since last Friday. For additional COVID updates and resources, visit the Health Department's website and select COVID Information tab.